everyone, I'm Devulla ma'am from Edu Arena, and today our topic is, you can see, coal and petroleum. Okay, so today we will not learn first about coal and petroleum. First we will today learn about what is, inexhaustible natural resources and exhaustible natural resources. Then we will also know about fossil fuels, okay, and then we will move to the coal and petroleum. So first I will show you. So I hope you can see the board very clearly. So first I have written here inexhaustible natural resources. Okay. So what is this inexhaustible natural resources? You see, these resources are present unlimited quantity in nature and are not likely to be exhausted by human activities. So you see, this inexhaustible natural resources are, those resources which are present in the nature in unlimited form. Okay, how much we use them, they will never get exhausted. That is, they will never get finished. For example, the sunlight, it will never get finished. Okay, it will never get over. Then we have the you can say air, how much we breathe, it will never get over, it will never finished. So, and then we can also give the example of the wind energy. Yes, so the you can say the resources that are present in unlimited quantity in nature are known as inexhaustible natural resources. Okay, they are unlimited, they will not get exhausted. Okay, for example, we have the sunlight, air. Yes, from the sunlight we get the solar energy. Yes, we have the wind energy. Okay, they are the inexhaustible natural resources. Okay, they are unlimited. Now you see exhaustible natural resources. Now what is this exhaustible natural resources? Very simple. These resources in nature is limited. Okay, these resources are in limited form. Okay, if we use them, or you can say if we use them a lot, then what will happen? They will get exhausted. If we don't use them carefully, then they will get exhausted. For example, you see, they can be exhausted by human activities. Okay, so we have to be very careful while using the exhaustible natural resources. Now what are the exhaustible natural resources? You see, we have the forest, we have the wildlife, we have the coal, petroleum, natural gas. These are all inexhaustible natural resources. Okay, so now we will learn about the fossil fuels. Okay, now you see, what are the fossil fuels? Okay, so you see, exhaustible natural resources like coal and petroleum, these are formed from the dead remains of the living organisms and they are known as the fossil fuels. So the exhaustible natural resources, okay, the exhaustible natural resources means the resources which are not in unlimited form. Okay, which might get exhausted, which might get finished when if we do not use them carefully, they might get finished. Now what are those exhaustible natural resources? The coal, petroleum, yes, the natural gas. So you see, those resources, okay, they are formed from the dead remains, okay, the dead remains of the living organisms. Okay, so from the dead remains of the living organisms, they are formed, and now you see, and they are only known as the fossil fuels. Okay, so what are fossil fuels? You can say that the fuels which are formed from the dead remains of the living organisms are known as the fossil fuels. Okay, so I hope you have understood. See you in the next class, and if you have any doubt, then please comment and tell me. Okay, thank you everyone.